Another setback for Biogen's new Alzheimer's drug. Just a week after the FDA narrowed the prescribing instructions for the drug, 3 large hospitals say that they will not administer it. The Cleveland Clinic, Mount Sinai Health System in New York, and Providence in Renton, Washington say that they will not carry the drug in their pharmacies or provide it to patients. The Cleveland Clinic said doctors can still prescribe it, but it will have to be administered at an outside facility. A spokeswoman said that the decision follows a review of available scientific evidence of its safety and efficacy. The hospital's decisions come as some health insurers are also restricting access to this therapy. A spokeswoman for Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina cited the same safety and efficacy concerns in its decision not to cover the drug, and that's going to be the bigger question. It's an expensive drug. If you have hospitals saying that they won't administer it, you can bet that you will have insurance companies jumping on and saying, yeah, it's the safety and efficacy, and that's why we're not going along.
It's depressing because we want, hope springs eternal with something that, with an aging population, it's so urgent that we try to find something that actually works,
And it's been almost 20 years since there's been another drug or treatment that's been approved.
And I think this is one of those, from the name of it, it ends in MAB. I think it's a monoclonal antibody that attacks the plaque, right? And we don't know whether the plaque is a result of the Alzheimer's or the cause of the Alzheimer's. And it was not proved definitively the efficacy.
No, but I can imagine if you had a family member or a loved one, you'd want it.
You would, but then again, if you wouldn't want to have false hopes that they rush through the approval process just because there's such an urgent need for it. It's really not that. It hasn't been proven really that it's that efficacious at this point.
No, but I like to see somebody like the Cleveland Clinic say they're not going to do it. That, to me, raises some concerns about the safety, because you wouldn't think they'd do that just because of the efficacy.
It was the Cleveland Clinic, wasn't it?
It was. Yeah,
that
was one of the 3.
Mount Sinai.
And these are well-known hospitals.
Exactly.
Right. These are not.
And everything's risk-reward, too.
Right.
And if there are, that's the first.
I have to say, though, I was glad to see the FDA move ahead with it. Look, as somebody who's also looking for other cures for other people I know, I'm glad to see a chance taken.
Right.
And I hope it doesn't push back too hard on the FDA.
And then, you get the FDA. We constantly criticize for
holding out and not doing so.
You might as well try it.
Right.
These people are in need.
If you don't have hope otherwise.
Then again, if one person dies from gene therapy or something like that, then they're in a tough spot, as Gottlieb knows. We can talk to him about this, too.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.